So we are going to look at this problem where 1 upon a plus 1 upon b equals to 1 upon 5, and a and b are given to be natural numbers. So in this problem, we basically need to factorize this equation in such a way such that we can get something of the form x into y equals to some z, where x, y, and z are all natural numbers. This is the primary way of solving any number theoretic equation. These are also called Diophantine equations. So there might be more than one variable in a single equation, but if you manage to factorize them into equation of this form, this is the plan of attack. But how do we do this? Because all of this is reciprocals. Well, what you do in this kind of problem specifically is you take the LCM first. So the LCM would give you AB in the denominator and then A plus B in the numerator. And you have 1 upon 5 on the right. Cross multiply it. So 5 whole into A plus B. This becomes 5A plus 5B. And then there is AB. Once you get to this point, we can simply bring everything to one side and write AB minus 5A minus 5B equals to 0. Notice how I've left a gap here. The reason is we can do a middle term factorization on this. So what do we need to do? Well, the first term and the last term, the multiplication of these two must match the multiplication of the middle two terms. That is the rule for middle term factorization, isn't it? So we must have minus 5a into minus 5b, which is 25ab. So we have AB here. We only need a plus 25, which is why we will add a plus 25 here. Let's get on to the next page. So we basically have now AB minus 5A minus 5B plus 25 equals to 25. I will not waste time here and simply do the factorization. A whole into B minus 5 minus B 5 whole into B minus 5. And this will equal to 25, and therefore A minus 5 whole into B minus 5 equals to 25. I hope you noticed that if it was any other number, even other than 5, it would have been the same. So once you get this form, you need to understand in how many ways can we break 25 as a product of two natural numbers. So the only ways I can understand are 1 into 25, 25 into 1, or 5 into 5. These are the only three ways. So we are going to equate our factors to these two factors in each of the scenarios in orders and find out the tuples that correspond to the solution. So in one scenario, we can say a minus 5 is 1 and b minus 5 is 25. This would give us a comma b as 6 comma 30. In the other scenario, when this is reversed, like a minus 5 is 25 and b minus 5 is 1, we should get a comma b as 30 comma 6. And in the last scenario, where a minus 5 is basically 5 and b minus 5 is also 5. In this scenario, we should get a comma b as 10 comma 10. So let's write down the answers. The answers to this are basically given in the set format. Let me write like this: 6 comma 30, 30 comma 6, and 10 comma 10. And that would be the fastest way to solve this problem. And any problem for that matter, if it was any n belongs to natural numbers, we could have still solved it. We just need to do the right factorization. So please let me know in the comment section how you like this video, and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.